Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. That's who better to abandon the onions. From early childhood, adults constantly told us that there is a bow is very useful, especially in the winter season, a period of epidemics and flu. And this fact is undeniable. Onion is really very useful, because it contains a huge amount of vitamins, and sulfur, fluoride, iron, magnesium and other useful components that our body needs so much. It helps well with the first manifestations of the common cold, strengthens the immune system and cleanses the blood. We will not refute the use of onions for health, and hardly anyone would have dared. However, even this miracle vegetable can be dangerous for the body, and we will tell in what form and why. In general, the property of absorbing bacteria from the outside world is very useful, but there is a downside, because it can turn out to be a great risk to a person. If you clean the onion and leave it for a while, it will absorb all the dirt and germs that are around. And, it would seem, it's okay, if only then this onion cannot be eaten. After all, after using this onion, all the absorbed elements get into the body, which threatens with many problems, especially with the intestines. In a hot time people often suffer from poisoning and usually write them off for mayonnaise. That's just very often the cause of poisoning is precisely onions, which absorb too many bacteria. If we are talking about what kind of onions you cannot use, then you need to remember about the fried and pickled vegetable. Fried onion during cooking loses almost all its useful properties and is soaked with carcinogens, which appear from hot oil. Pickled onion is not any better, because under the influence of vinegar, the vegetable becomes too sharp and after it affects the stomach. It is best to bake the onion, then it will retain all its useful properties. In addition, the bow has an unpleasant characteristic: it irritates the gastric mucosa, increasing acidity. And if you use onions constantly and unreasonably, serious problems with the gastrointestinal tract can occur. Therefore, people with gastritis and ulcer bow is contraindicated. Also, you should not eat vegetables when colitis and duodenal ulcers. With caution, onions should also be consumed in people with kidney, liver and heart disease. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.